Can I pay life insurance after the grace period ends? Imagine this. You forget to pay your life insurance premium on time, but you still want to keep your coverage. What happens next? That's where the idea of a grace period comes into play. Most life insurance policies include a grace period, which is a set amount of time after your premium due date when you can still make a payment without losing your coverage. This period acts like a safety net, giving you a little extra time if you miss a payment. The length of this grace period depends on your policy and how often you pay premiums. If you pay annually, the grace period is often 30 days. If you pay monthly, it might be just 15 days. During this time, your coverage stays active, so if something happens, your beneficiaries will still receive the death benefit. If you pass away during the grace period, the insurer will pay the death benefit but may deduct any unpaid premium from the payout. Now, if you do not pay the premium by the end of the grace period, your policy will lapse. That means your coverage ends, and the insurer is no longer obligated to pay a death benefit. Simply paying late after the policy lapses usually won't restore your coverage automatically. However, many insurers offer a revival period, which is a separate window after the grace period ends. During this revival period, you can apply to reinstate your policy. Reinstatement is not guaranteed and may require proof of good health and payment of all overdue premiums, possibly with interest. If you do not reinstate within this window, the policy terminates permanently. At that point, you might only get a surrender value if your policy has accumulated cash value. It's important to understand these timelines and the consequences of missing payments. The grace period is your last chance to keep your policy active with a late payment. After that, things get more complicated. Always check your specific policy details or contact your insurer to know the exact grace and revival periods, as they can vary. If you realize you've missed a payment, act quickly during the grace period to avoid losing coverage. If the grace period has already ended, contact your insurer immediately to discuss reinstatement options. Staying on top of your premium payments is the best way to keep your coverage uninterrupted and protect your loved ones.